right, guys, we are here today. I think this is called the Hayward Skate Park. I could be very wrong about that. But I brought Chloe, who's an expert skateboard advice consultant. Is that your technical
Yeah, that
name?
is my technical name.
First of all, where's your board? And why are you dressed like such a mom today?
Because I'm cold.
Is it cold?
I thought you would be impressed that I'm wearing the same socks today.
Oh, wow. Well done on wearing the same socks today. So I took you to the skate park. So we're gonna do the episode where you pick the obstacle and you name it and pick the trick.
Okay.
So go ahead. I'm just gonna let you go because you're like so confused about what is a skate park and what is not, because this park has everything.
Well, that's not a skate park, I don't think.
You're sure?
But I'm sure you could do something on it.
Yeah, name it, give me a trick.
Okay. Go over that rail, board slide down the other edge. Wow.
Give me a real tricky poser.
So impressed. Okay, wait, is this actually supposed to be a skate park?
You know, one could ask many questions about said Hayward area.
There's no way that this is a skate park.
Why?
Look at the ground.
I mean, what is it then?
It's like a workout thing, right?
I don't know. I actually don't know. Like, what's workout here? What do you do?
You put, yeah.
2025, I did say I was working out every day. I think I have every day so far.
Oh, it's literally like day 3 right now.
It's day 3, yeah.
And you've done it every day. Is that your workout for the day?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I was telling myself this morning, skateboarding is the workout.
That's right. That's
So
right.
what's this called?
The prongs.
The prongs.
The prongs.
I guess I'd call it a rail. How does that not grind? Okay,
How
I don't
does it
know.
not? Oh, put the things on either side. Does it fit? Oh no, it doesn't fit.
Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't fit. Give me a trick.
Okay, God, what is it called?
Oh, that's so sketchy. That's a good trick though, right? Narrow challenge, kickflip?
Yeah, do that.
I feel like that thing's gonna hit me in the head. Even though it's quite far away from me, it's just not far enough. Whoa!
Ooh.
We count that?
No.
Wasn't clean enough?
Yeah.
Whoa,
Oh,
this is
Aaron,
so deadly.
this is stressing me out a little bit.
Yeah, new year, new me.
Oh gosh.
Stop.
Maybe we do count that one.
Straight out of the car? I love it. I was like, do we count that? No. Actually, yes, we do. Why can't I land on there?
Because it's such a small space. Woo!
2025, first try.
Well done.
Okay, where now?
Okay, so now do a nose slide on this one.
Can't. That's
Why?
impossible. There's no way to even nose slide it. Okay, you're right. Maybe I can.
You can. See? Well done.
That was so good.
So good.
Okay, keep it going.
Where is the actual skate park though? That's the actual skate park.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I knew you were.
This is
Tricking
workout
me.
area. What were you just gonna do?
I don't know what this could possibly be. Oh, it moves.
Yeah, this is.
You're gonna unscrew it.
No, I'm pretty sure it's meant to do that.
No, it looks like it's unscrewing. Oh, maybe it's not.
No, it's definitely not.
Oh, wow. Okay, so
Okay, get away from that
so
before I
you
injure
can
myself.
no, you can use this as
For what?
stability for a trick, and it shows you can balance really well because you have to hold it up.
Okay, honestly, that's not a bad idea.
Right.
I could teach lessons here.
Yeah.
Oh,
There we go.
Go to the real skate park, kids. Go to the real skate park. For my video part, I did do a trick on that thing.
On this thing?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, well these you could do something on.
Yes, definitely. Like what though? What do you call this? Give me a trick.
What do you call? I don't know, bubbles.
You call that bubbles?
Go over the left one up to the top
Yeah?
and then go down to the right one.
Okay. First try?
Do you want to warm up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me some warm-up tricks then.
Do SMS1.
All the SMS1
All
tricks?
of SMS1.
Okay, should we go to the actual skate park?
Sure.
The skate park is cool.
You know what would be fun is
What?
if we combine sports.
Skateboarding and basketball?
Or even anything. What about skateboarding and baseball?
And rollerblading?
Yeah.
Okay, so she said SMS1. That's ollie, frontside 180, backside 180. Why does my back hurt today? Pop shove. Front shove. No, you didn't miss the front shove. Front shove. Woo! 2025, here we go. It's so funny when a year changes because like what changed really?
Yeah.
You know what changed?
Yeah.
The calendar.
That's right.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Gabe taught me how to heel flip last weekend.
Woo!
First try? Actually, it was second try. So that's
Nice.
all Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. If you're learning the basics, learn all those tricks. Okay,
Good.
now we have actual skate park.
Okay, so now you're gonna go over this rail
Yeah.
and manual out of it.
Okay, why is this thing so sticky? We need some wax. Do you bring wax?
Did I bring wax?
Yeah.
No. Oh, it is sticky.
Yeah, it's like rusty. What's this called, Chloe?
It's called a rail hill.
What? A rail hill. That's actually a really good name for it. You know what it's actually called?
What is it called?
Guess. I'll give you 3
That's
guesses.
my guess.
This one is like a pretty good, okay, I guess she already did guess. Rail hill. This one is called a rainbow rail.
Oh,
I
that
was thinking,
makes sense.
this is one of those things that you would actually get.
I know it would. Too sticky, or you need to increase your speed?
What do you think?
I think you need to just try increasing your speed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's all I got.
Well, I feel like there's some wax here somewhere. There's always hidden wax at the skate park. Or you know what else works, Chloe?
What?
Certain kind of cups.
Oh, because they have wax on them.
Probably shouldn't touch this cup, but you know what? It's too late now. Certain cups have a certain wax coating. This is a hack for you kids out there. Wax coating on the cup.
Skating hacks.
Skating hacks 101, yeah. You bring the hand sanitizer?
No.
What mom doesn't have hand sanitizer in 2025? What, Aaron? For the love of all that is good. New year, new me. My workouts have not been paying off.
Wow, even the manual
The
at
manual
the
out.
end. Woo!
Okay, I like it.
Okay.
This is a cool rail.
Yeah, you did
I ain't
it.
gonna lie. Favorite obstacle at the skate park.
Look how cute that little girl is.
Yep.
I bet she's gonna want to be a skater.
I want to skate now.
Yeah.
Is that Braille skateboarding? I'm in there. Okay, what now?
Okay, so now you're gonna go around in circles on this bowl,
Yeah.
and then
On the outside or the inside?
I mean, I think only the outside because it's covered in junk.
First of all, good call. It is a bowl. Second of all, what the heck?
I
We should
know.
have brought the broom. We could have cleaned this out.
I know.
Maybe that one's more dry. Or
Yeah,
maybe
but you
there's
gotta
like.
do every obstacle in here.
See, I feel like there's a certain spot, but for all you know, you get in there and you just hit this and you just whoosh because it's wet.
Yeah, how are you gonna do that actually? Like, how do you gain enough speed
To what?
to go around the thing?
Wait. Just what exactly do you think you do in this?
I think that you can go around, but I think that you go like rock to fakie,
Yeah.
blah blah blah.
See? Don't act like you don't know. Rock to fakie, you know. But like this, you're saying?
Yeah.
Go around.
That looks like so much fun.
So much fun. Okay, but we got to do an actual trick.
But how could you get it to where you're like up at the top here? Can you do that?
Like all the way around on the top?
Yeah.
Only?
Is that completely impossible? You'd have to be going super fast.
Yeah. Let's go to this one.
Okay.
Because this one's a little drier.
Okay.
Or something. Oh, rock to fakie. Rock and roll. Sick bowl, bro. Shaka. Okay, I suck at this stuff. What else do we got?
What do
Chloe?
you mean you suck at this stuff?
Oh yeah,
Don't
I'm really
say
good at
that.
it. It's 2025.
No.
I'm really good.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have the bench.
Should we do the one that's next to the broken glass or the one non-broken glass?
Probably not broken glass.
All right, give me a trick.
So you're going to ollie, manual, ollie off.
Ollie, manual, ollie off.
Okay, just remind me, a 50-50 grind, that's when the half of it is on this.
50-50 is like this. It's so funny
50-50
because you
like that.
wouldn't think this grinds well because look at how like chunky it is.
Yeah, but it does?
Yeah, it's a good grind.
Okay.
Okay, manual.
Wow.
That wasn't a manual,
But
but I'll take it.
You outdid the ollie in the end though.
We did it, yeah.
Yeah.
I hate ollies in the morning. Why is that? Because you're not warmed up yet, you know?
There we go. You did it.
We did it. First try.
And you exceeded it with that little trick in the end.
Yeah, what's that trick called?
Wait, do it again. Caveman.
Caveman.
Is it a caveman?
This is a caveman.
Oh shoot. Okay, wait. Do it one more time.
Yeah, one more
am
time.
so bad at this.
I mean, I don't know why you'd be good at it.
I've only been working here for 11 years.
The longest running Braille employee. She doesn't even know what a no comply is.
Oh no, comply.
Clearly we're not doing our job enough. Blame Aaron.
Yeah, exactly.
Leave it in the comments below. Okay, where do we go now?
So this rail,
Yeah.
is there a
You know what I
special?
just realized?
What?
Where's your skateboard?
We have it in the car.
I know, why'd you leave it in the car?
I
You
was
didn't leave everything to me?
cold.
I know, but then you start skateboarding, like I only have a t-shirt hoodie on, which is
That's
also
true.
my favorite way to roll. Because a t-shirt hoodie is light, it doesn't get too hot. You're blazing in the sun, but right now it's like cold and I'm like way too hot.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a trick.
They can get it at brailleskateboarding.com.
Give me a trick.
This one is a rail. Is there a special name for it?
Nah, not really.
Okay.
It is really just a rail.
Okay, so do a 50-50 grind on the rail.
Man, she finds my one weakness, my kryptonite on rails and calls it out. I need to warm up for that.
Okay.
For you guys sitting at home, you know when you set up a fresh deck, it's like okay to no slide, even a tail slide, which I haven't done yet. But once you start in on this, you just don't, I just want to leave this pristine, you know what I mean?
I do know what you mean.
But here we are,
We're gonna do
2025. Wow,
Woo!
that is really fast. It's really fast, Chloe.
Yeah, good.
Well, I mean like the rail's really waxed.
Yeah, I could see that.
Unexpected.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
I just wanted to have a good graphic, but no.
Oh, but it's cool though.
Killed the crow. Woo!
Did you get scared there, or are you just practicing?
You know, I have a certain pet peeve. It's the cracks.
Okay.
So for some reason, right where I want to go, you see how they just like made this crack?
Oh yeah.
Why did they have to do that to me?
I don't know.
Right here, this.
And that's where you want to go.
And the funny thing is, the crack is so small, there is zero way that it's affecting my pop, my wheels, anything at all.
Yeah, it's all mental.
But here we are, 2025.
Woo!
Count it, first try?
Yeah, absolutely. Ooh.
Okay, there's not really many obstacles at this park, is there?
No, I think that we nailed it all except for the regular old rail.
What should I do? Your hardest, your scariest trick?
A pop shove it? A shove it?
Remember that one video we made?
Oh, a hippie jump.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, where I died. Woo!
Wow, so epic.
Way to rub it in, Aaron.
Oh, sorry. Should I
Making
not
it
have
look
done a
so
hippie jump?
easy. Yeah.
Why
don't you do just a board slide?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's appreciated.
Yeah.
Wow.
Woo!
It's the worst board slide of my entire career. That was better. Okay, what do you call that?
No comply.
Wow, she got it. No comply. Correct.
No matter how much I really try to learn the tricks, and for whatever reason, when I see it, I'm like, it all just is a flippy thing.
I know, it's hard. Plus there's like nollie, fakie, switch, regular, and like some of the trick names just have no rhyme or reason.
Right, strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake, like who makes this up? Let's do a strawberry milkshake for the family.
Okay.
Someone in the comments said today, we want to see Chloe learn how to kickflip.
No way.
Yeah.
How do people know who I am?
Everybody knows who you are. Hashtag famous. What about this? You're right, you're absolutely right. We should have brought a basketball.
No, but how fun would it be to like do baseball skateboards, or like where you hit it and you have to skate and everyone has to be on skateboards.
Leave in the comments below if you want to see baseball skateboards.
But then you do basketball, you could do soccer. It just adds a little element.
It's true. I'm
Okay,
down.
so you're gonna grind this rail
Yes, I
from
am.
beginning to end. Ah,
She's like, eh. Okay.
that was better.
Normally what I really like is a ledge that's like angle iron like that. Very sharp. What I don't like is the coping ledge like this, because your trucks just don't lock in. See? But now that I've said that, I have this new pair of trucks to review today, the Grind King lockers, and I'm very excited to see how they do on this specifically.
Grind King lockers?
You heard me.
Oh,
Pretty amazing, right?
yeah.
I know. I thought so too. Okay, I need a good trick to end this video with. Let's see, what do we got?
What about something over there where it changes?
Define changes.
Like whatever that thing is. I don't know what that is actually.
What do you mean?
It's like the rail and then it goes down to the other rail.
Oh, I see what you mean. Unfortunately, I don't think I got anything on that.
You don't think so?
No.
Not anything creative you could do.
For sure something creative.
Okay.
But like end of the video creative? What do you call that?
That's an ollie off a rail.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, wait, I got an idea.
Okay.
Off the top?
Woo!
Dang it! Pet peeve number 385. Water on the grip tape.
It'll dry.
We should make a whole video series of things that skateboarders hate that non-skateboarders don't understand.
Yeah, that's a good point.
What do you mean it'll dry?
It'll dry.
Yeah, someday. I want to skate now.
Oh my.
It's true, you're right. It doesn't matter. Who cares?
It will make no effect on your skateboarding.
Okay, if I land a tray flip right now, you're right. If I don't, you're wrong.
Okay. I'm right, as usual.
Okay, so I keep posting all these clips on Instagram. I posted a lot of tray flips. And then people keep saying, well, people, I think maybe it was one person, said, he's like, day 8 of asking for the tray revert. So it's been a minute. Let's tray revert this. Tray revert our way out of here.
Tray revert. So it's a tray flip where you go like that at the end.
Yeah, correct. A revert. For Derek, first try. Oh, first try, Derek! All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you out there shredding.